Okay, today we're gonna make the crab quiche.
Sounds good. Crab quiche.
Quiche, yeah. And split the pan. Can stick the shell. And I buy the pie crust.
Yep. Got it.
And cut this one.
If you really felt like it, I guess you could make your own pie crust, but
Yeah.
nowadays it's so easy
And so cheap.
with these Pillsbury crust mix or crust already made.
And open up the crust. And put the crust in here.
Of course, you need to have a pie pan,
Yeah.
which the
How
crust
many
will go
ounces
into.
pie pie this one?
Oh, I don't know. No, it's a 9-inch or something.
Yeah. Okay, this one you have to wait, and we're gonna make ingredients in the
Okay.
inside. Okay.
Now here's the secret: the ingredients to the quiche.
Okay, 1 cup of mayonnaise.
1 cup mayonnaise.
1 cup then I sorry. Half cup of mayonnaise.
Correct that. Half cup mayonnaise.
The half cup of milk.
Half cup milk.
And 1 teaspoon flour.
A teaspoon of flour. Okay, not a tablespoon.
No,
Oh,
1
okay.
teaspoon.
All right.
And we put the 1 egg. Hey, 2 egg.
Okay.
Put a bigger. Okay, we put 2 egg and then mix it. Okay, mix it like this. And then put the half cup of green onion.
A lot of green onion, but they
Yeah.
taste good.
And
A can of crab meat.
okay, the crab meat like this.
Uh-huh.
Okay, put them in there.
Crab meat usually comes with that little piece of paper in there,
So
so
don't mistake put them in. I did that once. Yeah,
adds a new crunchy flavor.
yeah. And then mix it. And the 8-ounce cheese.
Okay. When you do it, it looks so easy.
8-ounce cheese. And then mix it.
Looks like I want to eat that already, just like it is.
Tastes pretty good. Huh?
Uh-huh.
And you put this pie shell.
Okay.
Okay, make a flat.
It's looking good already. Look at that cheese in there. By the way, that was the already ground mixed Mexican blend we used.
That tastes good. And set the oven 350 for 15 minutes. But depend the oven how temperature is different. So keep an eye on it. If you start to get brown, stick that toothpick or chopstick. And if they don't stick anything, down.
Okay, that sounds good.
Yeah.
So 350 degrees for 50 minutes.
Yeah. And cook in the oven fluff up, but the minute take out from oven, sink down. And now I'm gonna cut it. Maybe a little bit too hot, but I try.
And you can tell it's done when it's golden on top,
Yeah.
and you stuck a chopstick inside and it doesn't stick to the chopstick
Or a toothpick.
or toothpick. It's moving around good. That means it didn't stick.
Yes, I I'm not too good at cutting, you know.
You can do it.
I can do it.
Looks good. Okay.
Here is the quiche.
Looking good. Kiyoko's Kitchen. Thank you. Enjoy.
Enjoy. Hey, Daddy.